Hey, welcome to my nighttime curly hair routine. We all know that curly hair can be amazing during the day, but it can get quite messy overnight. So today I'm going to share some tips on how to preserve your beautiful curls while you sleep. So before bed, refresh your curls by spritzing them with a little water. And in this case, I'm making sure I spritz the water throughout my hair because my hair is a tad bit dry and definitely needs some moisture. And I'm also making sure I detangle as I spritz the water as well. And as you can see, my curls are starting to come back to life. Next, take a small amount of your favorite leave-in conditioner or cream and apply it throughout your hair to lock in moisture. And don't forget those ends. Now get your favorite oil and apply it to your scalp. And treat yourself to a good old scalp massage. I like to do this for about 5 minutes. Now grab you a silk or satin scrunchie and style your hair into a pineapple or a loose bun on top of your head. Now some of you might prefer sleeping with loose hair. If that's the case, flip your hair to one side and gather it loosely with the silk or satin scrunchie. This will keep the curls intact on one side and result in bouncy and defined curls when you wake up. And here's another option. Grab a silk scarf, gather all your hair in a downward position and tie your hair where it is in a pineapple and protect it in the scarf. It's important to remember that curly hair needs moisture, especially overnight. By protecting your hair, this will provide a barrier against the dry air, keeping your curls moisturized. And remember to always sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. This will help prevent friction that causes hair breakage and frizz. It's the next morning, so I'm just gonna untie the scarf and then fluff out my curls. And here I'm just adding a little bit of gel. And of course, style your hair for the day. And that's it on some tips to preserve your curls overnight. Remember, getting perfect curls every morning starts with protecting them overnight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye!